how to use coupons on AllChinaBuy. So here's how they work. You want to go to the website and then just click on your name in the top right. Make sure you have logged in. Now, once we are on our profile, then you will see coupons right here. So you just want to select coupons. Now, if you have a separate coupon code, you can click on this option to redeem it. So you can redeem your coupon code here on AllChinaBuy, or if you scroll down, you will see all of these different coupons that you can get. They grant you different things such as 360 off, 110 off, and here are the usage scenarios. So you can use it for shipping fees to exclude the customs clearance fee, and here is the validity date. So let's say that you want to use one of those coupons. How this is going to work: once you ship out an order, you will have a field called coupon or coupons. There you will be able to use any of the coupons that are currently displayed right here, and you can choose from the list. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.